Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. The S&P 500 was down 0.3% today, but that was actually kind of an accomplishment because it was down nearly 2% at one point. In the morning, the market dropped right away based on the reports of earnings from JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley. Both companies came in under expectations for what the analysts had. And of course, if you think back to previous videos I've done over the last couple of years, most of the times it's been just the opposite. The analysts have been underestimating the earnings, and now we're starting to see some of the opposite as the economy softens up and what have you. It is one of the big fears for the market going forward is that the expectations are still kind of high, and maybe the reality of what comes in earnings is lower, and the market continues to ratchet down because of that to kind of get back down to a level that matches these earnings. And so that was what was happening. And all of a sudden the market turned around. And really what happened there was that the Federal Reserve, three of the Federal Reserve governors were doing interviews. And they all talked about really wanted to get behind a 3/4 point rate increase, but not so much a 1% rate increase. There's been a lot of talk about the possibility of a 1% rate increase since the big 9.1% CPI inflation number came out. So, we'll see how that plays out. But, the market is, of course, concerned if they over-raise rates trying to fight inflation, especially inflation on gas and food, which are hard to bring down without bringing down the rest of the economy. That'll bring down the stock market. And so, 3/4 was probably more well received than 1%. But we'll see what happens when they actually get together as far as that goes. But not a bad day. It was a pretty good recovery. Really, good to see kind of buying come in, a nice support level and what have you too. Still down a little bit. We've been down a little bit for several days in a row. And so look forward to talking to you tomorrow. If you want to join me at my Talk Money with Tom show on YouTube from 12:15 to 1 o'clock Pacific time. I do a summary of what I saw happening in the market for the week at the beginning. And, obviously you can ask questions about anything that you'd like to at that particular meeting, and look forward to seeing you then. Thank you very much.